Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I am going back, diving into my empties, my need to toss out, throw away items, and I believe it's my part 3 to this video. I gotta go back and check. I think it's part 3, maybe part 4, can't remember, but whatever part it is, I'm diving into the empties, massive empties video and continuing my little series, if you will. Oh, before we begin, how about we click the subscribe button down below, join the Kwak fam, and if you haven't already, tap on that notification bell, you guys. That way, whenever I upload, you won't miss out on any videos. It will do you a favor and notify you when I upload a video. It's just really easy. Click on the bell and you are set and ready to go. And if you want, you can also follow me on my social media, like, you know, Twitter or Instagram. All that stuff is linked down below in the description box, and the items I mentioned, I will post a little description and where you can find them as well, like a link for you to click on. That way, you know, it's just easy for you to just click on it and get the item instead of like you having to like search it on Google or whatever you use. So yeah, anyways, enough of the rambling. Now let's get started with the video. Okay, so if my makeup looks kind of, you know, messy or, you know, worn out, that's probably because it's the end of the night and I am, you know, getting ready to go to sleep and everything. But I figured since I have a couple of hours before I sleep, maybe I should turn on the camera and do some type of video. So here we are. Okay, so normally for these series or these empty series video, I would, you know, try to pick out items that go well together and then, you know, present the video to you guys. But I feel like I want to be kind of random and spontaneous and just post anything I want. Basically, I'm going to dive into the big box of randomness and pick out whatever item, show it to you guys, and just simply talk about it and then move on to another random item. So hopefully that's a good idea. I'm not sure. If it's not, then we'll do a different plan the next time. Alright, so here is the first item, you guys. This is the Purifect Rose Micellar Cleansing Water, all-in-one, removes makeup, cleanses, refreshes. So on the bottle, you guys, it tells us that it moisturizes, brightens, no rinse, no rub formula, oil-free. Now, there's still some left in here, but I feel like it needs to be, you know, tossed out, obviously, because it's in the empty / toss out bin. It tells you that it's like, you know, no rinse and no rub. To be quite honest, it's not any of that stuff. I mean, it works nice. I like micellar water, but at the same time, I'm like, whatever about it. Normally, when I use micellar water, I would have already cleaned off everything on my face, and micellar water for me would be one of those steps where I use at the very end, just to make sure I got the final, like, you know, dirt and old makeup, whatever you have on your face, just to make sure it's all off my face. But I don't just use this only for my face cleaning. You get what I'm saying? I don't use it alone. I use it at the end of my facial cleaning step. So when it tells you no rinse and no rub formula, don't believe that. So that is the Rose Micellar Water. And do I recommend it? I mean, again, with any product, makeup or skincare, I feel like you have to be the best judgment for that. But would I pick it up again? Probably not. I used to really like micellar water, but then the more I use it, I realize there are better facial cleaning products out there, and you don't have to really use micellar water. So I don't know, you guys be the judge and pick if you want to buy it, but for me, would I repurchase it? No. Alright, so here is the next item. This is the Fruit of the Earth Aloe Vera, pure, no color added, moisturizing therapy for sunburn, dry, irritated skin. Now, I know it has, pretty much is full. It's like, it looks like I've never used it before. I probably used it a couple of times, but it's like, it's old and it has to go, you guys. I know it's a waste, but Really, it's been in my little, you know, skincare section for a really long time. And I have other aloe veras. Usually I buy them when I'm going on like a beach trip or whatever, and I'm like, oh crap, I forgot my aloe vera and I need it, so then I'll buy it and then I'll use it during the trip, and then after the trip I never use it again. So yeah, kind of a waste. Maybe I'll keep it to the side if you guys know any, like, you know, hacks on what to use aloe vera for, because this, you guys, is definitely expired. But besides that, aloe vera, if you don't know, it's great. It's good for hydrating your skin if you get a sunburn. I've never gotten, well, backtrack, I've gotten sunburn once, and that completely freaked me out. If you guys want to know a story about that, let me know down below in the comments. However, I got sunburned once, and I did use aloe vera, but not from the bottle. I actually used aloe vera from like the actual plant. So yeah, but it's good for sunburn, and it's also good if you have dry, irritated skin. And my skin is dry and irritated at times, so perfect for dry, irritated skin. Will I purchase aloe vera again? Of course. I mean, aloe vera is good. Why not? So here is my next random item. This is the Eucerin Original Dry Skin Therapy Moisturizing Cream, or moisturizing creme, I should say. And this is fragrance free. I bought this big tub, but I feel like next time I probably won't buy a big tub. I love Eucerin. Their products are amazing, but this has been really old and it's just time to go. It's like been sitting around for a while, and it does feel like a waste, and it probably is a waste, but I don't want to use old, you know, old product on my skin. So anyway, Eucerin, this particular product is clinically proven for effective for very dry, sensitive skin, which is what I have. So this is basically a really good drugstore product if you have dry skin like I do. It does a really good job moisturizing your skin. The feeling of it is very thick, and it's not thin and watery, so you can really feel the moisturization happening. As you can see, I used a lot of it if you think about it, but there's still so much left in this tub of container. But again, it's time for it to go. And just to tell you guys what it says on the back, it tells us that it's good for dry, sensitive skin, like I mentioned earlier. That way your skin does not feel uncomfortable. If you ever experienced dry skin, it feels like it just feels really icky, and like your skin wants to like kind of rip apart. It's not fun, you guys. Dry skin is not fun. So this is definitely a really good solution for that. And it's also good for when your skin is irritated. Now we have a makeup product, you guys. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water Prep Set Refresh. So this little tiny 1.52 fluid ounce little bottle or spray bottle has 3-in-1 primer water. Basically, you can use it to prep your makeup, to set your makeup, and refresh throughout the day. And it's really cute. You can toss it in your purse or your bag and carry it around with you. I like it a lot. It's great. It's very affordable. It's a drugstore item. Will I repurchase it? Yes, I would definitely repurchase it. Wet n Wild has amazing makeup products, and this one is cruelty free. The one thing I will say about this is I kind of wish they had a much bigger bottle. If they do, and I'm not seeing that in the drugstore, let me know down below in the comments. And another thing about this, you guys, is you want to make sure you kind of like give it a little test run before you actually spray it on your face, because from experience using these Wet n Wild sprays, not just this one but the other ones too, the first couple of sprays is not like nice and misty. It kind of comes out really hard, so then you have like these splotches of like setting spray on your face, and you're like, it just feels kind of you know, it doesn't feel nice. So make sure when you buy this to give it a little test run, spray it a couple of times, and then spray it on your face, and that way you are good to go and your makeup is set and ready for the day or ready for the night. Alright, so my next item is another drugstore item. It's by Sally Hansen, and it's this little number right here. This is the airbrush leg in the shade medium. It's like a leg makeup. Basically, it's water resistant. It gives you that nice, you know, tan. It kind of looks like you're wearing stocking. It's like your skin but better type of look. This stuff, you guys, is amazing. It makes your skin look smooth, and it does say the makeup stays on fresh and pretty much all day. I mean, it stays on for the most part, from my experience. So the question is, would I repurchase this airbrush leg by Sally Hansen? To be honest, I probably would not, but if I see it and I'm like, maybe I want it, then I'll get it. You know, I'm not like against it. But like I said, I'll probably get like those foamy spray tan, foamy tanning lotion. You know what I mean. Okay, so earlier, you guys, we were talking about like beaches and like going out in the sun, and that means, and the whole like, you know, aloe vera, and that means you have to wear your SPF. So the next item I grabbed was the Aveeno Active Naturals Protect and Hydrate. This has an SPF of 70, and it helps reverse skin dehydration with nourishing oats. Sweat and water resistant, sweat and water resistance up to 80 minutes. Now, there is still a good amount of product in this little bottle right here. To be honest, you guys, I do love Aveeno. They make some amazing skincare products, but for whatever reason, which is why I picked this up, Aveeno is amazing, but for whatever reason, I didn't really like this one. This Aveeno Active Natural Sun Protection Lotion, Sunscreen, whatever. It wasn't really up my alley. It wasn't something I was vibing with. It wasn't doing me. I just didn't like it. I didn't like how it felt to my skin. Wasn't feeling it. So would I repurchase this? Probably not, because I mean, I wasn't feeling it. It wasn't vibing with me. So yeah. However, I mean, I do like Aveeno, and they make some amazing skincare lines, so I do recommend them. I just don't recommend this one in particular. The next item, you guys, I have is the Herbal Essence Volume White Grapefruit and Mosa Mint. First of all, packaging. This is such a cute package. It's an aerosol can. It has about 4.9 ounces of product, and it is for color safe hair. Yeah, so this is definitely all empty, and something I would of course repurchase. I freaking love Herbal Essence. Like, have you seen their old commercials? It just kind of puts you in the mood. It's like it's everything, honestly, you guys. It's just everything. So this Herbal Essence dry shampoo, first of all, it smells great. So if you want dry shampoo that smells wonderful, heavenly, it smells like nice, beautiful fruit, just loveliness, goodness, this is the way to go. Second of all, the amount you're getting, look how big this can is. That's amazing, and you can definitely pick this up at like your local drugstore. Like, you know, you can also get it at Walmart, all that good stuff. So let's see, let me tell you, this one in particular is for all hair types. It does not leave any excess residue, and that is the truth. It is a waterless wash technology, and it keeps your hair looking fresh. So this is amazing, you guys. If you're on your like 3rd or 4th day hair, like no wash hair day, and you have to kind of like make your hair look like it's been washed, pick one of these up, you guys. It's amazing. I love it. It does come with a little cap or a lid, but you know me, I lost that a long time ago, so I have no idea where that is. Anyway, would I repurchase this? Yeah, of course. It's amazing, and I love it. I mean, I can still kind of hear, do you guys hear that? A little bit of product in here, and the fact that I can't use it breaks my heart. That little product, it breaks my heart because it's just that amazing. I would use this product to the very end till it's completely dried out. It's just that amazing, you guys. So here is another hair product. This is the Healthy Sexy Hair Soy Renewal Beach Spray. And this one, it tells us, is a beach look conditioning and texturizing spray with argan oil. That's like the little, you know, look at us. We have argan oil, which is amazing for your hair, first of all. Now, I believe this was a little sample size I got. I think they do have a much bigger size. I feel like I got this in my influencer bag, I believe, or in my, I really can't remember, but I don't think I purchased this. So, however, I did use it and I used it all up. This spray, you guys, it's like one of those sprays where if you want to go on the beach and it give you that, like, you know how when you go to the beach, you get that like nice beachy hair with a little bit of, you know, ocean water, a little bit of salty water, beach waves. It just gives that nice beachy hair vibe. This right here does that for you, minus all that stuff in your hair. Like, you don't have that saltiness. You don't have that, like, you know, grittiness from the ocean. It just gives you that nice beachy hair minus going to the beach, which at times can be really nice. So if you're looking to have that beachy hair, pick one of these up. Pick one of these up. Now, would I purchase this? Considering I didn't purchase it with my own money, I mean, I'm not against it. I like it, but I'm not like in desperate need for it. So I'm not gonna run out right now and get it. But if I see it in the store and I'm like, I kind of want it, then I'll pick it up. You know what I mean? So I think for this video, I'm going to end it with one more product, and that is another finishing setting spray. This one is the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish Setting Spray, and it tells us it is long lasting. Again, you guys, this is a drugstore product. You can pick it up at Walmart, at your local drugstore, you know, drugstore. And it's a little tiny mini one. I think this is their full size. I believe this is their full size. They don't have like a bigger one than this, if I'm not mistaken. It is 2.03 fluid ounces, so it's definitely travel friendly. You can like toss it in your purse or your bag and take it with you. Now, do I like it? I do. They have some great setting sprays. But again, with these setting sprays, you guys, like I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure you give it a nice test run, spray it out a couple of times away from your face, and then after your test run, spray it on your face, and that way you can make sure it gives you that nice mist, a nice, you know, refreshing feel to your face, which is personally what I'm looking for. And on top of that, of course, setting my makeup. So this one and the other one, Wet n Wild, both super affordable. Now, are they my like tip top favorite makeup setting spray? I mean, they do the job. They're nice. I love them. But my like really top of the top, above first place, no. My favorite, you guys, well, we'll talk about that in another video. But I do love them, you guys, and I recommend them. I would buy them again, of course, because they work well. Alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for this part of the video. I will be continuing this series in a couple of minutes. But for this video, we are closing out and calling it quits and finishing it up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comment section if you will be purchasing any of these items, or have you tried them before? Let me know what were your thoughts and opinions of them, and share it with everyone else, because maybe the items I didn't like you loved, or vice versa. And yeah, anyway, if you haven't joined the Kwak fam already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. It is the red button below this video, and click on that notification bell. That way when I upload, you don't have to worry about when I upload. I do upload twice a week, but you can click on that bell and it will give you a little notification letting you know that my video is posted and you can watch my video. Alright, so that is pretty much it. If you like this video, give it a like, and yeah, that's it. Oh, and follow me on all my social media. All links are down below in the description box. Alright, so that is it, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Alright, bye!